Assalamualaikum students, welcome to your Mont 3 Islamiat class. Dear kids, today we will revise question number 3 and question number 4 from page number 6. Here's the question number 3. Can we see the angels? Can we see the angels? No, we cannot see them. No, we cannot see them. Can we see the angels? क्या हम लोग angels को देख सकते हैं? No, we cannot see them. नहीं, हम लोग angels को नहीं देख सकते. What kind of work do the angels do? What kind of work do the angels do? They follow Allah's order and do good work. They follow Allah's order and do good work. Angel जो है वो कौन सा काम करते हैं? They follow Allah's order. Angels जो है वो अल्लाह ताला का ऑर्डर, अल्लाह ताला का जो है हुक्म मानते हैं and do good work और अच्छे अच्छे काम करते हैं. Okay kids, you have to revise question number 3 and 4. Can we see the angels? No, we cannot see them. What kind of work do the angels do? They follow Allah's order and do good work. Okay kids, Allah Hafiz.